Okay, friends, here's book number 2, Bring on the Birds. This book is written and illustrated by Susan Stackdale. She did both things. She wrote the story and she drew the pictures. Let's begin. Swooping birds, whooping birds, birds with puffy chests. Dancing birds, diving birds. Birds with fluffy crests. Hanging birds, hiding birds. Birds with jagged bills. Hummingbirds, drumming birds. Birds with bills that drill. Skimming birds, swimming birds. Birds with tails held high. Racing birds, riding birds. Birds that never fly. Dull or dazzling colors, long or little legs. All of them have feathers and all are hatched from eggs. The end of book number 2.